Hello guys. Today I will show you a credits glitch for all devices. You're going to pretty much be able to get everything on the credit shop for free. So you can just follow my steps. First, go to this website, getbgame.com. Then search for Imvu credits. Click this button, continue. This is the tool that we are using to get the credits for free. So, we will type our username. Then click continue. Now we will choose the amount we want to get on our account. So it says that we have to unlock our credits manually. So click unlock now. And it's gonna say that we're gonna have to complete 2 of these offers to get our Imvu credits. So we have to complete these 2 offers. After I complete the offers, it says open your game and check the credits as you can see. So I will open the game. So guys, as you can see, I've got my free 300,000 credits. So just follow all these steps. So guys, don't forget to share it with your friends. Peace out.